were after the elections of 2021, around November, we had 2021 elections, where local government elections, where the new political parties after the election had collusions. In the city, it was for the first time for us to have a collusion government. Economic Freedom Front and Democratic Alliance formed a collusion immediately after elections.
I don't think they will appreciate you calling them Economic Freedom Front.
EFF.
Freedom fighters.
Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you, Commissioner. Thank you for correcting me. Thank you for correcting me. I usually call EFF. Yes. Let me call it correctly. Economic Freedom Fighters. Yes, and Democratic Alliance. Thank you, Commissioner. Then they had the collusion. Then the mayor from DSL, the DA was able to get the mayor and other parties. They shared mayoral committee position, speaker's position, and chief whip position. Then Chief Mapie presented a document that is attached to the submissions, where the alderman or executive mayor that time raised concerns about the threats, about disruptions that were made by African National Congress in the city. You see, that document, it was presented to me and Mr. Mzoli said, and the city has took a decision or a resolution to have the status for the city address around April, yes, or in April, yes. And that took place, then I thought of the engagement is what you need, or intervention you need. Then I called them and say, you remember those guys? I said, oh, they are good guys. When we do our own private shootings as teams, you know, members, especially police, it becomes a sport in terms of playing with firearms. They attend competition and become shootings, and they get skills. They cheat one another in terms of your tactical movement, your shooting movement, how to be a best shooter, how all these things of handling firearm, tactical standing, and all these things. But it's about shooting. And those guys are good. They're giving us good theories, and they are very disciplined. Then I went to Mike again and said, Mike, man, we've got these guys, or we'll have the state of the city, and I'm told that there are threats there. And the threats were very clear, that are coming from African National Congress when I was briefed, or when we were briefed by the chief of police, you see. Then it was fine. Then I said, man, can I communicate with Vus, you see, because they said he's the owner of the CAT VIP Security. I think I still remember it correct. I'm just summarizing. Yes, you see.
Just clarify this to me. The intervention unit members told you about CAT VIP protection services.
Yes.
I want to get an understanding of what then led you to Mr. Van Wyk.
Oh.
What was the connection?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. No, when you, CAT VIP Security, yes, that was owned by Mr. Vusi Matlala. When you enter, that time when you enter...
Yeah, it's exactly at
yes.
that point.
Yes.
So this entity is owned by Mr. Matlala, but you go to Mr. Van Wyk
yes.
when you want
yes.
CAT VIP protection services to assist. So I want to understand why Mr. Van Wyk and not Mr. Matlala.
Yes. When you enter at the Medicare, when you enter at Boksburg Medicare 24, there are photos of all the directors, you see. Next to Mr. Mike Van Wyk, there's a photo of Mr. Vusi Matlala. You see, and there are other, I think there were about 10 photos of those directors. you see. But my guys have already briefed me what he works with. Mike said, Mike, no. It's fine. No, man, Commissioner, there's something that I jumped, but said I'm summarizing, you see. But I'll talk to that. Let me finish this one so that it will be clear. Then he said to me, no, I can arrange a meeting with Vusi. But I went there thrice, Commissioner, ne? Whilst there's these photos, I saw him twice there. But I didn't know, because there were a lot of them were making up and down. But you could see that, oh, this one is this one, this one is this one, this one is this one, you see. But I was there just to talk to Mike and communicate with Mike, you see. Then we met. He explained that, no, he owns that thing. He confirmed again that these guys are from SAPS Task Force, they are from SANDAF, you see. They're good, they're well, he presented them very well to me. I said, man, we've got threats, you see. When I can meet, we met at Boxback, Medicare 24. You see, he listened to, the person doesn't like to talk too much. He was quiet listening to me.
Commissioner, because you are talking about different people, when you say
Oh,
we met, is it Van Wyk or is it Matala?
No.
So just mention the name so that we know who you are referring to.
It's Mr. Vusi Matlala, yes, with Mike, you see. Then I related my story, I presented my story to him. He said, no, it's fine. He said, but guys, I want to have a tender of security with me. But that time it was not formal. It was just joking and everything. Or VIP, I said, no, on our side, VIP is not that thing. VIP is not privatized, something like that, you see. But he said, no, it's fine. Formalize it, you see. Then I said to him, I'm told that the offices are not here, you see. Is it a formal institution? Is it a formal company? They said, yes, we are in Tshwane. What is this mall?
We'll get to the mall.
Yes,
Yeah, yes.
yes. But I went to his offices. It's a formal offices when you enter. It is a high-class formal VIP security offices. Then you could see there's administrative, everything's there, you see. Then he took me through, we spoke, I said, no, I see that this company is there, it's formalized, and it was before the state of the city. Then, towards the state of the city, planning started. Then I called him and say, Chief, you remember that he likes to talk with style. He was calling me Ngamla. Then I called him Ngamla too, you see. No, this Gauteng Lingos, you see. Said Ngamla, and I said, I will call. He said, no, it's fine, you see. Then I said, Ngamla, there's going to be that, as I told you, and we are closer to that. And usually when it's that, we've got planning operational meetings that are sitting, you see. He said, no, it's fine. I will send a person. I will tell him that it's at Germiston, times and everything, you see. But on that day, he called, he said, no, I'm coming personally. You see, he came personally at Germiston Civic Center where we were planning with all the commanders and all the people that are going to take part. It's private security, it's SAPS, it is us as EMPD, because it was the city's event and it was done by us in terms of planning and everything, you see.
Commissioner, just sorry to interrupt, you keep making reference to a he. He came personally. Who is the he in this instance?
Vusi.
Oh, Vusi
Muzi
Matala.
Matlala,
That's the he.
yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, I'll try to move away from this he.
I know.
Yes. No, he came, and that time we had some members from Mayor's Office of Alderman Tanya Campbell. Our executive mayor was Alderman Tanya Campbell. In council, when you've got long service, they give you the status of alderman. It's alderwoman or alderman. It's alderwoman Tanya, so not alderman, alderwoman Tanya Campbell.